How to set up auto replies in focus mode on iPhone. First up, go to the settings and look for the focus option. Click on focus and here you can see plenty of options in which you can decide which focus mode to edit on. If you want to have a personalized focus mode edited, click on the plus icon that you see on the top right corner. On clicking the icon, you have many custom modes that you can edit and customize. Click on Customize mode and then here you can see an option called Auto Reply under Allow Notification sections. Click on the auto reply and then here you can see that you can set who to auto reply to, where you can choose no one, recents, favorites or all contacts, and then also edit your auto reply message as you can see on the screen. And this is how you can easily set up auto reply on focus mode on your iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.